Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add someone to a conversation in Slack. So, all you have to do is, of course, head over to slack.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, select the specific conversation in which you want to add someone into. Next is click on the View All Members icon. A window will then pop up where you can see or have an overview of all the members of that channel or conversation. And from here, all you have to do to add someone in this conversation is start by clicking on Add People. Window will then pop up that gives you the option to add all the members of your group or just add specific people. And to add someone, all you have to do is start entering their name or email. Once their name appears on the search results, just click on it. Then once done, just head over and click on the add button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!